All right. Now for a little side thing. As you see, I'm in the middle of detailing up my master grade FAS from the year 2000. In fact, I'm gonna lay him down just so y'all can see him while I work. And I got to thinking, this kit is old and comes with something that we don't really see too terribly often, and that's dry transfers. So I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and throw together a quick video on how to put dry transfers on. Today, the dry transfers we're going to be putting on are going to be the ones on the chest, right there. It's a really cool dry transfer, and I figured I'd show y'all how to do it. All right, 1 second. First things first, you're going to need your dry transfers. They normally come on a sheet that has a back to it. The reason that back's there is to protect the actual decal on this side. Your dry transfers or scratch-ons or whatever you want to call them normally aren't perforated. So you're going to have to cut them out. Let me grab my X-Acto blade real quick. This one's sharper. Now we got to figure out which number we want to make it. Let's just check this reference image. All right, on the reference image, it has unit 4 for it, so that's what I'm going to do. Had the gray one on his chest piece. That's this one right here. There we go. So you got the so you cut out the little decal. The next step you're going to want to do is place it where you're going to want it. This one, I'm just going to keep it canonical, put it right on this bad boy. You're going to remove this backing right here and set it right where you want it on the piece, and try to keep it as because you will push through it and end up destroying it before you even put it on there if you're not careful. So make sure you get in there real good. Don't miss any spots. And there we go. That one turned out perfect. Let's go ahead and pop this on here. that just made the kit look a lot better. Just by that one little part. This thing's ready for my shelf, and I'm not mad about how it came out. And hopefully if you watch this, you got to enjoy it.